the world of dark psychology, and explore 6 tactics that can help you better understand and connect with the opposite sex. Dark psychology tricks that will help you seduce a girl. These tricks may seem manipulative, but they are often used by people to get what they want, especially when it comes to seduction. Before we begin, we want to remind you that these tricks should be used ethically and with consent. 1. Understanding the power of body language. Our first trick is all about body language. Did you know that nonverbal cues can account for up to 93% of our communication? By mastering the art of body language, you can convey confidence, dominance, and attraction. For instance, maintaining eye contact, mirroring her movements, and adopting an open posture can make you appear more engaging and trustworthy. 2. The power of persuasion and NLP. The second trick involves the art of persuasion and neuro-linguistic programming, NLP. By using specific language patterns and techniques, you can influence her thoughts and emotions. For example, embedding commands in your sentences, using sensory-specific language, and calibrating your voice tone can create a powerful impact on her subconscious mind. 3. The mystery of the love triangle. Our third trick is the love triangle. This technique involves creating a sense of competition and desire by flirting with another woman in front of her. This can trigger her instincts of jealousy and exclusivity, making her more attracted to you. However, use this tactic with caution, as it can backfire if not handled properly. 4. The art of misdirection and distraction. The fourth trick is the art of misdirection and distraction. By diverting her attention from potential flaws or shortcomings, you can create a more favorable impression. For instance, if you're not the best-looking guy in the room, focus on your strengths, such as your wit, charm, or charisma. By doing so, you can shift her focus from your appearance to your personality. 5. The power of empathy and active listening. Our fifth trick is the power of empathy and active listening. By showing genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences, you can create a deep emotional connection. This can be achieved by asking open-ended questions, paraphrasing her responses, and validating her emotions. By doing so, you can build trust and rapport, making her feel more comfortable and attracted to you. 6. The art of reciprocity and commitment. Our final trick is the art of reciprocity and commitment. By offering her small favors, gifts, or gestures, you can create a sense of indebtedness and attachment. This can be achieved by buying her a drink, offering her a ride home, or simply helping her with a task. By doing so, you can create a positive association with your presence, making her more likely to reciprocate and commit to the relationship.